Hello guys, hello, it's happy Tuesday to everyone. I'm making this video because I said I'm going to record every journey of me just like trying to pass the 10k fan account with FTMO, profile. So right now, let's start with yesterday. Yesterday I made $15, between those trade of AUD and I took in some trade of Euro GBP. Then I was like, they're not moving. I just like little $2, but I was up in profits at some point of time, like $25 or so. So what's actually happened is that I was just like, this setup is not moving and blah blah blah. So I ended up discontinuing the setup. I took the $2. So I was like looking at this setup because this is the highest probability setup on the daily chart. I'm like, that's actually the high. Like they did everything that is supposed to be done. It's just that they just like moving slowly, not fast. So I was like, okay, fine. Let me just re-enter the setup. So I re-entered the setup with a much bigger size, which is 0.05. Then I'm just waiting for the setup item. So I'm gonna show you why I took the setup. Why did I take the setup? So the thing that I'm going to talk about today is that right now I'm looking for that setup where I'm going to put more size in. I'm going to risk more in my winning trades, So like this is what I want to do because I think like I have this feeling in me that I'll pass this final account this week. I don't know how and why, but I got this feeling that I'm going to pass this final account. So with me like looking at those things, it's like okay, fine. If I get like a highest of the highest probability setup, I'm going to put more size in the setup, so I'm going to able to pass the final account. So I've been looking because my goal is to make $20,000. So I'm like, okay, fine. If I can just like pick another prop firm, buy 10k challenge after I've passed this one, I'll be able to pass the second one, pass the third one, because if I got like let's say like three 10k challenges, and each one of those three like 10k challenges, which are three accounts, like I'm making like $1,000 a week. That means I've made like $3,000 a week. The following week like $6,000 a week. The following week like $9,000 a week. The following week is like $12,000 a week, So if I can keep compounding like that, I can be able to get in 20,000 even more faster than I would thought, because for me to trade one funded account, it's gonna take me some more energy, more risk, for me, in order for me to be able to get the $20,000 payout. So okay, fine. Here's what the trade I took, and here's why I took the trade. Hey, okay. Here's 0 GBP. If you can see on Friday, there were shorts on Friday. I missed this move actually. On Friday there were shorts, So if you can look at them like just on 15-minute time frame, last week they've rose for almost like a week and a half. So market maker have to rise at the same time they have to get the profits, right? So they can't keep continuing rising, They had to retrace, get some profit. So if you can look at the 1 hour chart, basically they have the day. If you can look them here, they have the day. They just make one level to the low. They need to make second level to a low, third level to the low. So if you can go back and look at the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, this is the highest of the highest probability setup, because this is an M formation. This is an M formation on a daily chart. So my expectancy in this trade is that they're gonna just like trade traders, and when they do trade traders here, I'm gonna add more, yeah, add more. So eventually if they make like 30 pips down, 50 pips down, I'm able to like to make some profits, maybe like $400, $500, $600, who knows, but if they able to trap and I catch them one time, I'll add more size, because if you can look now on my account, it's minus $5, And if you can look at swap is positive, which is another confirmation of a swap. If you can look at equity, it's 10,436. So whatever happens, but I'm willing to pass this final account, get another one, pass it, get another one, pass it, get another one, pass it, and just grow it like that. So this is it. They're in the Asian session, they've been consolidating, so this is what I thought is going to happen. So after like consolidation, I think they're gonna trap and just like come here a little bit. After they come here a little bit, I'll be able to add more here if I catch them on time. I'll be able to add more trades, maybe like 10 trade with 0.010. Then I'm looking to make like $400 to $500 profits. So this is it. This is how I actually plan my week, because the way I actually plan my week is that I'm going to trade like USDs. USDs is going to be like bullish, bullish, because if you can look at them in the daily charts, this is then 2 pin to the low. So this is the trade that I'm going to take even today. Upon those trades, if they give me like some kind of a confirmation of the day V bottom, I'm going to take this trade. So even USD really moved yesterday, but I didn't catch them. But those are actually good trades so far that I've seen.